Okay, start 24. The remaining. In flight, if one generator fail, what happens to the galley power?
ECAM message will be
Automatically
triggered.
said.
ECAM message will be triggered, and captain has to manually switch off the cap push button.
Right. In case of ground,
Drop. If IDG, in case of IDG, we have to do it manually. And if there's APU, for APU, it automatically happens.
automatically galley is sedated.
Yeah.
If APU generator is overloaded, the galleys are automatically sedated. But in case of flight, or IDGs fail, the captain has to do it manually.
Manually.
Right.
In flight, captain has to manually
shed the power, the galley power. But
galley and cabin switch.
Yeah, galley and cabin. But in case of generator APU generator operated on ground, automatically sedated galley power.
Yeah, automatically.
Yeah. Okay, how fault and byte data of GCU 1 and 2 is sent to CFDIU?
GC 1 and 2 to G. Okay. Gap coup. Through gap coup.
Right. Through gap coup.
Through gap coup.
GCU 1 and 2 byte and fault data transmitted. Okay. Who drives IDG?
Huh?
Who drives IDG? How IDG get driven?
From gear.
Which gear?
In accessory gearbox.
Yes, from accessory
gearbox.
And what drives accessory gearbox?
And to shaft.
And to shaft.
And to rotor.
And to shaft.
And to rotor. High HP rotor. Okay, at what frequency you service the IDG?
100 flight hour.
Wrong.
151. Sorry, 150 flight hour. I think.
5 since 5 years you are doing maintenance and doing 100 hours or 150 hours.
No, by checking the level of the indicator.
There is hours like there is flight hour also.
Yeah.
According to flights.
At 150 hours, you check the IDG oil.
And even when we open the cowl door, we check it.
Yes.
Every time.
Yes. Okay. How emergency generator operation works?
Works constant speed money.
I mean, when AC generator comes online?
When AC bus 1, AC bus 2 and aircraft is above 100 knots, there will be RAT deployment.
Automatic RAT deployment.
What happened?
AC emergency one.
What happened to AC bus 1 and AC bus 2?
Fail. AC bus 1, AC bus 2 both fail.
Yes, you have to say fail. AC bus 1 and AC bus 2 fail.
Yeah, and
aircraft speed over 100 knots.
Yes.
Then automatically deploy of RAT extension.
Yes. Right. Okay. RAT extends automatically. After that, what happens? Tell me the transient configuration.
In transit configuration, battery 2 supplies essential DR. DC essential bus and bus. And battery 1 via static inverter through two AC essential
Inverter.
bus.
Right. What happens to the AC essential and DC essential
And-
state bus at this time?
It is its relay are often de-energized.
They are not powered.
Yeah, de-energized.
not powered.
Yeah, at this time. Okay, then after emergency generator comes online, what happens then after that?
It comes online.
For the supply power, initially the supply power is come from battery to energize the
After that, essential TR
control unit. The supply power is given by PNG, the supply power, and if all data are okay, then generator comes online.
Yeah, I asked what happens after the generator comes online.
after
Okay,
that
after
essential
then essential is supplied from the Raman turbine FNG, and from essential TR the essential DC essential
bus
power
is supplied.
from DC essential.
Yes.
Yeah.
The emergency generator supply AC essential bus, and the essential TR supplies the DC essential bus.
Essential bus.
Yes.
Essential, yes.
Okay. When emergency generator cut off the supplies?
Cut off the supply.
Yeah.
When it is
Aircraft
below
is-
100 knots,
Huh?
aircraft
Airspeed is
speed is below
100 knots.
No.
Between 150 and 100 knots.
below 100 knots.
No. That is different. That is different. Different logic for that. 50 and 100. There is only one logic.
Compressed landing gear, nose landing gear compressed.
Yes.
ML,
Nose landing gear
MLG
compressed.
compressed. MLG.
Yes. Nose
Nose
landing.
landing gear or main landing gear?
Nose landing.
Nose.
Nose landing gear compressed. For the main air, there is a different logic for that. It will come. Okay, what happens if RAT does not extend automatically?
Fault line will come on
Fault line.
RAT push button switch,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to do it manually by
Manually.
man on push button
Man on.
switch on elect power panel.
There is also a RAT man on switch.
Yeah,
Yes.
that is for hydraulic purpose
So if
That is
pilot
on hydraulic.
only.
if pilot press that switch in air, if RAT not extend automatically, then what happens?
Only that extend, but electrical generator is not powered.
Yeah, only hydraulic power will be there.
Hydraulic power is
Yes.
there, but electrical power is not available.
Then what happens? Then what you will do again?
You need to switch again that red man on from electric power.
Yeah, you have to switch switch on the man on switch from emergency electrical power panel.
Yes, sir. Then electric power is supplied.
Okay, how can you extend the RAT on ground if no aircraft power is available?
Directly,
From hot bus.
if it is supplied with a hot bus, and if you press the man on push button switch, that man on push button switch, then it will come down. That will deploy.
Okay, if RAT does not extend automatically, sorry, is the voice again. Okay, how can you extend the RAT on ground if no aircraft power is available?
By pressing the rat man on push button switch.
Man push button switch in full configuration.
Yes, because it is directly power up by hot bus.
By pressing
Hot
which
bus.
switch?
Hot bus.
rat man on push button switch.
Which panel? Hydraulic panel or emergency electric panel?
Elect.
Hydraulic.
That's called man on switch, not rat man on.
Man on.
Yeah, man on.
Man on. Rat man on the hydraulic panel.
Rat man on उता भयो hydraulic का भयो यसमा man on मतलब छ के
Yes, man on switch. Okay, what supplies CSMG solenoid valve?
Is
28 volt DC through
That too.
that too. No.
Yes, battery too.
Then
PMG also through
Yeah.
PMG water is
Initially, but
PMG
initially it
through
goes to the battery.
TR. PMG through TR.
if no other power is available, battery supplies, and if
Yeah.
RAD comes online, then PMG of the CSMG supplies it the solenoid valve.
It will supply it. Yes.
Yes.
Through TR, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
PMG of the PMG supplies the solenoid valve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, how many solenoids are there in RAT?
Two
Okay.
solenoids.
Two solenoids.
One and solenoid. Yes.
Okay, what is for one and what is for two? How
One
does
is for automatic.
how does solenoid 1 activated and how does solenoid 2 activated?
Solenoid one, if automatically all the power is, if aircraft is in flight and both this AC1 and AC2 is failed, automatically solenoid one is energized by battery 2.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If automatic deploy of RAT is not happen, then if you press the manual push button, then solenoid 2 is energized.
Which manual push button?
Rat. One is for rat and one is for man. I think so.
What is that?
That man on.
So which one is RAT man on? 1 or 2?
Hydraulic. Two is for rat man on. I think so.
Manual.
And 2 is for RAT man and 1?
For man on. Electric
Opposite.
panel.
You said opposite. 2 is for man on, 1 is for RAT man on.
Yes.
solenoid.
Yes.
Solenoid 2 is activated.
Confusion हुआ था.
Hmm.
के लिखा था
हो.
hydraulic panel
RAT man 1 solenoid 1 button हुन्छ and manual push button solenoid 2
Yes.
button.
Yes.
Solenoid 2.
Yes.
मलाई एक्ज्याक्टली याद छैन मलाई.
Okay. So what are the characteristics of static inverter?
Static inverter. 115 by 200
Single
volt.
phase,
Single phase.
115 200 volt, single phase.
Mm-hmm. Say again.
Single phase.
Mm-hmm.
115 by 200 volt. AC. And all के 1 kVA. 1 kVA.
1 kV.
1 kV.
And frequency?
400 hours.
400 hours.
Right. Okay, for what purpose static inverter is used?
For 3. For APU start, supply for the pump, and for the engine start.
We start engine by
Ignition
battery.
लागि. Ignition लागि.
Yes, when you start.
And in emergency configuration during transient phase.
Yes. Ignition for engine start on battery power, right?
That's the power, yes, sir.
Okay, in emergency configuration, what gets powered if aircraft speed is below 50 knots?
Below 50 knots.
Mm-hmm.
Aircraft below 50 knots, then
Battery. The aircraft is on battery power below 50 knots. And static inverter bus is also powered, but the essential AC essential is not powered.
Right. The AC essential bus is not powered, but static inverter and DC essential bus gets powered. So why static inverters gets powered, not AC essential bus? Why?
Sir, because to provide the power for fuel pump, APU fuel pump.
Right. To start the APU, we need to get
Yes,
power for the APU fuel pump. So that is
fuel pump.
logic is made. How static inverter faults are displayed?
that static inverter false displayed.
Fault are monitored by BCL.
Yes.
And BCL
BCL
Class
means the faults. And what type of fault is this?
class 1.
Class 1 fault.
class 1 failure.
Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
What happens if AC bus 1 loss?
AC bus 1 loss. Then supply to essential. In respect to that, we have to say
In related to the AC essential.
if AC bus 1 fails, no?
Yeah.
AC bus 2 will supply to the AC essential. AC bus 2.
Is there any logic?
Yes, sir. There is a AC essential feed switch, which must be pressed in. If it is pressed in, then it automatically supplied by AC bus 2 in case of failure. It will take 3 seconds to
Auto switching light 3 seconds lags.
Normally the switch is in the auto position. Okay.
Yes, that is pressed in.
So if AC bus 1 is fail, then within 3 seconds the automatic switching is done either in flight or on ground. So through automatic switching,
ground. Yes,
it supplies from AC bus 1 only. From Gen 1 only, right? From Gen 1 only. But within 3 seconds,
yes, sir.
yeah, but within 3 seconds, it is not switched. In that case, AC bus 2
False light.
AC bus 2 will supply.
Fault light.
And fault light will trigger. Yes. Okay, what happened after that? Fault light triggered.
Then we need to release out the switch. Then alternate white light comes on, and then manually it is transferred from AC bus 1 to AC bus 2. Then at that time, AC bus 2 will supply the essential bus and.
Okay. What happens if the speed is below 50 knots?
Below 50 knots automatically will be done, and if above 50, we have to manually, in case fault is triggered.
Yes. The switch. We need to
Suppose you, you have done it. The pilot have not triggered the alternate switch, essential switch, and after 3 seconds, AC bus 2 is supplying. So AC bus 2 will continue supply.
Yes.
Okay. So if aircraft speed is less than 50 knots, then the automatically switchover will happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, in normal configuration, what supplies the RH fuel pump wing RH fuel pump 1, wing fuel pump.
AC bus
I-
1. AC bus 1.
Yes.
AC bus 1.
AC bus 1
bus 1
supplies number
supply.
1 pump of LH and RH always, normally.
both.
Both, yes. In normal case also.
Yes, yes.
Okay, if a warning smoke warning occurs, then what happened?
There are number of tasks to be performed.
Yeah, that's okay. Then
First, Gen 1 on emergency elect panel, Gen 1 fault light come on Gen 1.
Gen 1?
Gen 1 line
Yes,
button.
Gen 1 line.
Gen 1 line push button.
Okay, so what faults comes?
And yes, sir. And
Faults comes or what comes?
smoke.
Smoke warning.
Smoke. Amber
One
smoke.
morning.
Amber
warning
smoke
will come.
comes. Okay.
Amber. Yes, sir. And on ventilation panel,
Lower and extraction will fault also.
fault light will come.
Every portion you have already covered, so no need to describe that. Just 24 chapter only you have to describe. Okay, so smoke fault light comes. So after that you have to switch off the Gen 1 line smoke.
One.
Gen 1 line off. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then
So after
fault,
that,
smoke.
after that, what do you do?
Wait for the there is a 5 minute you have wait for the 5 minutes if the smoke gone or not, because that time they put the blower and extractor override. So if smoke gone, then everything is normal. If smoke not gone after 5 minutes, then ECAM procedure will show, and according to ECAM procedure, they have to follow the, they have to switch off the Gen 2 also. Then manually spin the rack.
When will we switch off the Gen 2?
Gen
Gen
2.
2.
After
After
you,
5 minutes.
after
After
you
5
press,
minutes.
Five
after
minutes.
you press the RAD man on, sorry. After the RAD got
Yes, sir,
deployed,
yes,
the emergency data
Yes.
comes online. Then after
Then
one,
it will be-
yes, then after
then-
one, two,
oh yes,
push
yes,
off the Gen 2 switch up.
yes, 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 yes.
So this should be.
पुरै याद गर्नुपर्छ.
Yes, yes. Okay, so before landing, gear extension, what do you have to do?
We have to turn on both Gen 1 and Gen 2.
Gen 2.
Both.
Gen 2
Before
and Gen 1
Normal-
line push button should be on.
Normal configuration ल्याउनु पर्यो.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.